I'm here now and I've just come to Senegal. Look at these beautiful ladies. I'm sorry, head to toe please, head to toe shots please. Beautiful. Okay, so exactly what do you do then? Why are you here today?
Okay, we are here to represent Senegal. We are with the ASPT, which is the government, and they're here to promote the country itself. And us as DMC, we came to show you what we have and what we can offer when you come to Senegal.
How have you found WTM this year? Have you been here before? Would you come
No,
again?
personally, it was the first time I came to WTM, but I loved it. I mean,
Yeah?
it was a way for me to actually to show what we really sell actually
Yeah.
and what we really have as in Africa. I mean, so far we've been a lot into local tourism personally,
Okay.
but this was a way to show that hey, to the world, come to Senegal, because like I say, right now Ghana is a big shot because
Yeah.
they did Africa Return 2019, but 2020 is definitely the year for Senegal as
It's
well.
definitely going to be your year.
Alright, yeah.
Wonderful. So, can you let the viewers at home know exactly what's great about Senegal? What would you recommend us to do if we was come there? Loving your eye
So
makeup.
many things. Thank you. If you want to come to Senegal, there's so many reasons why you should come. First, a very good weather, a very safe place to be. You can enjoy the seaside. There's so many cultures, so many ethnicity. So you can either relax or go be a bit adventurous, go to the safari. So many activities, and we are here to help you. We can show you the best city to visit, the best place to go. So yeah.
We have the Youth Olympic in 2022. That's coming up, so please be there. And Senegal 2020, which is something else we have for people who will have any attachment to Africa to come back in 2020. So please, guys, we invite you all.
I love your outfit. Can you tell me a bit more about
We
it?
have something called boubou in Senegal.
Okay.
So boubou is something that our mothers used to wear. It's like this big dress because they like to cover themselves. So nowadays the new style is we open it up. We
Yeah.
make it kimono style. So we get the modern and traditional inside out, you know. That's the way the new Senegalese roll. So we do it in everything, in tourism, in food. We have that old touch and the new touch in everything we do. That's why I'm telling you guys, come to Senegal, is the next place to be.
Thank you very much. I love this as well.
I'm
I see
showing
you're holding
something
this.
very,
So what
very
exactly is
famous.
this? How
we
is this
call
made?
it Calabash.
It's actually made from a big vegetable, kind of like a
Wow.
pumpkin.
So it's a wall.
So it's
shape,
carved.
which is actually
Oh my
kind
God.
of-
Yes, it's carved, and in Senegal we use it to clean the rice. So before we eat any rice in Senegal, we put it in here and we wash it up.
Yeah.
So it's traditional. It's one of the best thing you can see, and we carved it and say, "Welcome to Senegal. Come visit Senegal." But these are the things like traditional that we have, the artisanal part of Senegal that sells also in the world. So it's a sign of hospitality. It's a sign of also something building up and growing. Because I mean, there they have this idea that if you put something here, it grows.
Yes.
So that'd be money. So some places when they would put some money or something to say maybe it's going to grow, you know. So traditionally, you know, Africa is all about tradition.
Yeah.
So it's full of tradition.
How do I say that, by the way?
Visiter.
Visiter le Sénégal?
Come to see us. Yes.
I'll definitely be coming. I hope you do too.